Hello guys, so nandito ulit ako kasi kanina na-review ko yung video at pansin kong hindi nakikita yung chart na pinapakita ko kanina dapat. So ayun guys, earlier I was talking about the breakout on the stock house at nasabi ko kanina na it had a really very good setup. A few days ago, I posted this stock in my weekly stock update groups, and I'm recommending it for momentum and swing trading. And my advice is to buy at the breakout or buy at the pullback to the buy zone. So those were the two ways to buy it. So March 18, 2019. So today is already March 20 here. So it was 2 days ago na na-recommend ko. And ang nangyari dito is a breakout. So pag nabantayan mo to, so basically you will be up already at around 5.6%. So at the moment, nakikita nyo si house. Ito yung breakout candle with really nice volume. So the question now is it still good to buy house? So how will I trade house in this setup? So this is the way how I will trade. Of course, buying it at the current price will give you more risk. However, if you will trade it with a short-term term perspective using momentum trading strategy, what would I do is to convert this chart into 1 hour, and then if the price will open higher than this tomorrow, then I will be buying. However, I will be setting a tight stop somewhere around here. So just way below this group of candles. Pag bumagsak dyan yung price, out na ako. Bilis. So dito yung entry. Pag nag-open yung house above this, I will be buying. So this kind of entry will be a quick type of entry, and it really needs monitoring. So if you would like to trade such kind of strategy, be sure that you have really time to monitor. The next strategy that I would like to share is is buying only the house if it pulls back around 50% of this breakout candle. So where is the 50%? So if we just estimate the 50% of this candle is just around here. And so pag mag-pull back dyan, I buy it, and hopefully it will be able to bounce at that. And this level really makes sense because that is in confluence to the high of this, which will now become a support, possible support. Now, what happens if the pullback will be much deeper than the 50%? Then in that case, the price will try to respect this support area. So, and this is the possible support area where the price can bounce. So that will be now my new buy zone, right? So the cat loss will be just below that group of candles here. So ito malalim na to. Ito yung dati kong buy zone before nag-breakout. So ngayon, since the price is already up, I will be moving my buy zone already higher. So that will be the strategy that I will use for house. And the good thing with house is that there is really a fundamentals. There is fundamentals. There is a catalyst which is driving this price to go a much higher price. So the stock is in uptrend, and this is one of those stocks which is in my watch list under my YTD ranking. So kung i-pull out ko yun, nakikita nyo yung YTD rank ko. This is composed of the stocks that I am watching, and in the houses in the rank sixth, I think, no, fourth. So the fourth one. Also, yesterday I just bought PHA after it made a nice bounce at the BB channel, which is really very nice, and it has really nice volume. Institutional traders are already coming into the picture. The high volume spike during the past 2 days. So if you come here, you will see that it really bounced at the BB channel here with nice volume here. So I already decided to trade this one with really nice upsides. Hopefully it will be able to retest the previous high, which is more or less around 40 to 50%. But my cut loss will be at 0.98. All right, so that's it, guys. For those who would like to access all my stock recommendations and stock updates, which I give usually weekly and every second day, and sometimes napapa daily din kapag may mga opportunities. So feel free to write me a message. And what is the good thing here is that you will really know, or you will also be able to learn the strategy that I am employing in my stock picks. So this is not just a spoon feeding, but you also learn something from my post. And while you are following my recommendations, you will be able to decipher the strategy that I am using in the trade, in my trades. So again, for those who are interested to subscribe to my weekly stock updates, feel free to message me. You can subscribe 4 months, 6 months, or 1 year. But also for those who would like to enroll on my mentorship program, where I teach fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and the strategy that I'm using in the market, and how am I picking stocks, how am I ranking them, then that's also an interesting one, especially for those kababayans who are abroad and cannot attend seminars. So we can do it online, one-on-one, so I can really focus on you. I've been doing this already for almost 2 years, and marami ng mga kababayan natin natulungan ko. So just review my page or go to Stock Mentor Neil page. You will see reviews about my page. So for instance, here under the reviews, you will see nice feedbacks from my students. So for those interested to enroll, then let me know. Right, so thanks guys. I hope you learned something for today, and God bless you all.